rolling.
We're just getting the ingredients ready for the cocoa bread. I wanna love you and change you. Let me get rid of it. Alright, so for the cocoa bread, we're gonna add some flour. Using all-purpose flour. Things everywhere. Let me add a pack of the instant yeast. We're adding some sugar. Watch it. Dessert. Alright.
Just break it open. Yeah.
Hopefully it's not salt. Alright, that should be good. And I'm gonna add some diced butter to this. Chicken going. Let me turn on this because you can smell it, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
It's good.
So the water will melt the butter. Is that what? That's the point? The hot water.
No, the warm water is for the yeast.
Oh.
Activate the yeast, yeah.
I got it.
Alright, so we're gonna rub out the butter. You rub it until it becomes like fine breadcrumbs. Listen, I used to work at a bakery when I was in before I went to cooking school. That's how I got money to go to school. I used to work at a bakery and I used to have to make these every single day. Made a few thousands of these before. Oops. But the problem is I don't like the feeling of flour on my hand. Yeah, it's very strange. Alright.
Yeah, it's a bad problem for a baker, isn't it?
Yeah, do not like the feeling of flour. Alright. You wanna get the hot water for me?
Yeah.
Alright, wait. Pour some of the hot water and the cold water. Because I want it to be warm. Yeah. That should be good. I'm gonna put some cold water on it. You know what? I can smell the chicken. Let me check on it. I want to feel it. You smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, there you go.
Yeah.
Man. That is pretty. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit now. You can take a look at it.
Yeah, it smells good, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we're adding in the liquid now.
You want some more of the hot?
Yeah, give me some more.
Yep. If you grab the hot water, though. Thank you.
Pour it onto the cold water. Don't worry about burning, I'm good. Alright, good.
Thanks.
That was nerve-wracking.
It's like Tom Cruise Mission Impossible.
I'm glad I did my part.
Thanks for helping.
Yeah, Like a young Tom Cruise or a young John Cena.
Put me in the credits.
So a little bit sticky. Let me get some more flour.
Oh yeah, that chicken smells so good.
Yeah.
Just ate those flaming hots this morning, so we're ready to go.
All right. So this is ready. I'm gonna let it rise for a few minutes. All right, I'm gonna put this over here where it's hot so it can rise. Clean my hands up and we're moving on to the next scene. What's the next thing we have to do? So we have the fish season, we have the chicken going, we have the cocoa bread started. Let's work on the fish tea.
Fish tea.
Yeah.
Can we get a piece of pepper for my lizard?
First. All right.
Yeah, just
He's
a little
vegan,
bit.
right?
He's definitely. Well, do worms count?
No.
Let's roll him.
He's gonna jump out.
He's looking at it. Is there enough seasoning on that for you?
Look at his eyes.
All right, what are we working on now?
Alright, we're gonna work on this fish tea. So we're gonna be using very minimal amount of veggies. We're gonna be using some potatoes, carrots, and onions. So you wanna dice these up. Nice, isn't it? Got some carrots. This is chocho. Have you seen it before?
No. What is it called?
Chocho. In some Caribbean countries, they call it Christophine. It can also be baked as well.
What does it taste like?
Nothing. Literally. Yes. It tastes like whatever flavoring is there, yeah. So it takes the flavor of everything. But the
Gotcha.
texture is more like, it's like a flavorless carrot.
Okay.
So I'm adding some garlic as well. And then we're adding a chili pepper or a scotch bonnet pepper, but we're not gonna open it.
Okay.
So we just want the flavor from the outside without opening, because if you open it, it's gonna be hot. So we're just gonna add this to the soup, let it boil for a little bit. Then we're just gonna add the fish. We're gonna cut up the fish, add the fish, add some okra, add some cock soup, add some pimento, add some, oh yes, it's a good thing you come over here and have a piece of yam as well. So this is white yam. I'm sure you have never had this before.
No.
So they have these in different colors. They have the yellow yam, they have the white yam, they have the sweet yam, St. Vincent yam, and they also have the pum pum yam. Serious. You ever tried the pum pum yam before?
Every Sunday.
Wash this off. So we're just gonna bring this to a boil, cook it for about 20 minutes, then we add the fish. And the reason why we're not adding the fish, I bet you don't tell me the reason why. Why do you think I'm not adding the fish right now?
Overcooking?
Exactly.
Hey.
So, hey, there you go.
We're learning something through the videos.
There you go. Right, so I have the fish. I caught this one last week. at the supermarket. Red snapper. It's a little bit expensive.
Snapper.
Yeah, too expensive. So we should go fishing next year, man.
I'm down. I'm very down.
So I'm just gonna.
You know how to fish too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I got some waders. We can go in the river.
There you go.
We're gonna use a boat.
I'll just walk right in. I got some salmon September to pretty much now.
What, salmon?
Salmon.
Yeah.
Some steelhead. Some.
Where are you going for salmon?
Milwaukee River.
Underneath, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the lake. Yeah.
Wow.
Pretty much all the rivers and lakes around here. Yeah.
And they
salmon
can,
and trout.
and you can eat them. They're not. The water here is good for fishing, or is it?
That I don't know. I know some people do.
Mm-hmm.
Some people do, some people don't. Definitely up to their discretion, but
I've heard like salmon is okay in the Milwaukee River because it's like just briefly in it.
Yeah.
You know, like it spawns there and then that's sort of it. But you wouldn't want to eat like a carp or something that lives in the
That lives
Milwaukee
there,
River. Yeah.
Because I know most of these waters are very contaminated.
Yeah.
You have to go someplace outside of the city. That's far away.
Honestly, probably only 15, 20 minutes tops
For what?
to fish where the water's not polluted like that.
Oh, nice.
So we're getting all the scales off here.
Yeah, there's some still on it. Escama. So we just want to remove as much scale as we can because this is nasty. You know the funny thing, the fish head is better for this.
For the soup?
Yeah, the fish head than the flesh. Because that's where most of the flavors really is.
Okay. But today we're using the entire fish?
We're using the entire fish.
Maximum fish flavor.
A lot of bones in it though, so you have to be careful. But this fish soup, you have to be careful when you drink it. Because if you don't want to have any kids, you have to be careful. So baby producing naturally.
Fish tea will make you strong.
Yeah. It's an aphrodisiac. Do you know the song that you heard, the fish tea, the mention fish tea?
Yeah, Lee Scratch Perry, throw some water in.
Oh. Yeah, Lee Scratch Perry's he's a boss.
Probably drinking a lot of fish tea in his time.
Yeah, but this, especially when you mix this one with the okra, you have to be very careful, as I mentioned before. You don't want to have too much kids just by drinking the soup and you're like, you didn't realize the soup was the cause of it. Ooh, that was bound to happen.
So just up in big chunks like that.
Yep. Tata cut myself. I get cut so often that sometimes I don't even know if I get cut or not. Alright, so this will be the protein in the soup. So I'm gonna pile this up. Alright. Afterwards, I'm gonna clean up the board and work on something else.
What's up next?
I think the chicken.
Okay.
Let's move on to the chicken. I want to take out the chicken now.
Okay.
Look how this look. Looks good.
Yes, it does.
And remember, we haven't finished cooking it as yet, so we're going to make the sauce for it.
Okay.
So it's a two-step process to this. So I'm going to prepare the veggies for the sauce. Goat and shit. We were downstairs and we were drinking. We almost forgot about everything.
Wait, you were cooking at the girls' place?
But no,
Oh,
here.
downstairs.
Here. No, but we were. It was summer, so we were eating
Yeah,
outside.
we were eating outside, yep. Man,
This is how it should be.
I had so much beer that day and I was like,
I mean, we were just having like a whole party.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a number of people here.
yeah, Eston.
Yeah, that's a cool shot.
Alright, so we have some scallion there. So because I'm going to be using this veg to do the bok choy and the brown stew, I'm just going to add everything to this. So I have the carrots. So you have legendary knife skills. I trained in Japan under Samurai Master.
Same one as Batman.
No, it's a different one.
Yeah, watching you cut things versus how I cut things, it's pretty
And the-
incredible,
And
actually.
the funny thing is, the knife is dull. If it was sharper,
Yeah.
it would have been much more smooth for me. Hey, Esther, you know what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be doing like a cooking class, online cooking class. So, you guys, if you guys are interested, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll also leave my email address so you guys can give me an email so we can line that up. We're going to be doing some private cooking class. Yeah, some people have been DMing me asking me about it, like, how can they get lessons? So I'm like, that's the thing that I could probably do.
For specific food or for anything? Like, is it on request or is it you decide what we're cooking?
I mean, I can do Caribbean food, but I can cook anything else. But mainly Caribbean food.
Okay.
But anything else I can also do. If you want to learn how to make pizza, I can do that. Pasta from scratch, we could also do that. Some Chinese food, we could do that. Basic Indian food, we could do that. American food. What's American food, by the way?
Burgers.
Burgers.
Burgers and fries.
Fries.
Yeah, I don't really know.
Exactly, it's everything.
Well, right, yeah. It's
Barbecue.
barbecue. Yeah.
What is it? Is America like a full? Is it fully barbecue or is it like a region in America that's barbecue?
I guess pretty much everywhere.
Like
Because everyone
Texas?
has their own different styles.
Just dreaming about it.
Ribs.
Just this perfect timing. She's just dreaming about whole pork. Barbecue!
I know you were dreaming about ribs. Yeah, the onion is making me cry, man.
Yeah.
Because the knife is dull. So I have the veggies right here.
You should go, speaking of ribs and stuff. Oh, yeah, it's making my eyes water, too.
It's because the knife is dull, so. Oh my god.
Yeah, I gotta sharpen that.
She left me again, man. Yeah, she. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to drink some of that soup. I can get my performance up. Alright.
I totally forgot about the